Rocket Money is a finance app that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, but before you decide to make the purchase, there are 12 key things you need to know. Let's dive in, and I'll compare it to some other popular finance apps to give you a better idea of whether it's the right choice for you. First off, Rocket Money has an intuitive interface, making it easy for users to track and manage their subscriptions. The app scans your bank account and identifies recurring payments, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Compared to apps like Truebill, Rocket Money offers a similar subscription tracking feature, but with more streamlined automation. However, Truebill provides more robust options for negotiating bills, something Rocket Money still lags behind on. Next thing, Rocket Money offers personalized budgeting tools that can help you stay on top of your finances. It categorizes your spending and lets you set monthly goals. However, it doesn't have as many customization options as apps like Mint, which gives you a broader ability to define categories and subcategories for your spending. The third thing to know is that Rocket Money lets you set savings goals. If you're saving for a vacation or big purchase, this feature will help you track progress. While this feature works well, apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, offer a more in-depth approach to budgeting, including zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a job. The fourth thing to consider is Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. This is a paid feature where the app helps you negotiate with service providers to lower your bills. However, it's not quite as comprehensive as Trim, which has a wider network of partners and often offers more negotiation options. Fifth, Rocket Money integrates with your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to provide a full view of your financial situation. But if you're an investor or trader, apps like Personal Capital offer better tools for tracking investments and providing retirement planning resources. The sixth thing is its credit score monitoring. Rocket Money gives you access to your credit score, but it doesn't provide as detailed insights as apps like Credit Karma, which also offer tips on how to improve your score. Seventh, Rocket Money is a subscription-based service with a free version and a premium version. The premium version unlocks more features, but if you're on a budget, the free version might suffice, though it lacks some advanced tools like bill negotiation and savings goals. The eighth thing you need to know is its customer support. Rocket Money offers in-app support, but it's not as responsive as some competitors like Mint or Personal Capital, where you can usually get a quick response via chat or email. Next up, Rocket Money gives you access to a variety of financial insights, like net worth tracking. It's decent, but if you're looking for a deep dive into your financial health, tools like Personal Capital offer more detailed insights into your investment growth and retirement planning. The 10th thing is Rocket Money's premium features, which include personalized financial advice. While it's a great add-on, it's not as in-depth as services offered by apps like YNAB, which provides much more proactive support with budgeting and finance management. The 11th thing to consider is security. Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, which is pretty standard for finance apps. But keep in mind, no app is completely risk-free, and apps like Mint also prioritize security, but might have additional authentication layers for peace of mind. The 12th and final thing is its overall ease of use. Rocket Money is highly praised for its simple, user-friendly design. While apps like YNAB or Mint may offer more complex features, they can feel overwhelming for beginners. Rocket Money, however, makes it easy to manage your finances without any unnecessary complexity. So, is Rocket Money a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their financial management, track subscriptions, and set savings goals. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution that includes detailed budgeting, investment tracking, and bill negotiation, we recommend trying out our top pick for free. Check out the link in the description to get started